So Ibn Abbas, كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أجود الناس. Rasulullah صلى الله عليه وسلم during Ramadan was the most generous, the most beautiful, but meaning the most generous of people in all ways. Charitable, giving, smiling. His character was at its prime. His worship was at its prime. Everything was enhanced about Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as if it wasn't already. So imagine Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his character, and imagine enhancing that. It's mind blowing. It's just, you can't imagine what that would be like. So Ibn Abbas says, كان Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam ajwad الناس. He was the most generous of people. وَكَانَ أَجْوَدُ مَا يَكُونُ فِي رَمَضَانِ. And he was most generous, especially in Ramadan. حِينَ يَلْقَاهُ Jibril. When Jibril, during Ramadan, he used to meet Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. وَكَانَ يَلْقَاهُ فِي كُلِّ لَيْلَةٍ. And Jibril alayhi salam used to meet Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam every single night in Ramadan. فَيُدَارِسُهُ الْقُرْآنِ. And Jibril alayhi salam used to review the Quran with Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam every night of Ramadan. Right? شهر رمضان أنزل فيه القرآن. In the month of Ramadan is when Quran was recited. So Jibril alayhi salam, there's many narrations about this. Here's just one that Imam al-Nawawi captures. So Jibril alayhi salam used to come every night of Ramadan to review the Quran with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. فَيُدَارِسُهُ al-Quran. They used to study, they used to study Quran together. As in, Jibril alayhi salam is teaching him, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is learning. فَلَرَسُولُ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وسلم أَجْوَدُ بِالْخَيْرِ مِنَ الرِّيحِ الْمُرْسَلَةِ. Okay, so this goes back to the previous discussion that we said, that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was so generous, and we briefly talked about this last time, that this is Ibn Abbas describing his generosity during Ramadan, that he was like the sent wind. You know how when there's a wind that blows in the middle of the desert, they're in the desert, right? Okay, when a wind is blowing in the middle of the desert, it's nice. How does it feel? Your sweat it's just a wonderful feeling. So Rasulullah, so Ibn Abbas is saying he was like Rihan Mursala. He was like the sent wind. Okay? Mursal, by the way, just FYI. Rasul, Rasala, Mursala, all of this means to send. To send. Okay? And in a similar meaning, angels are called angels, malaika, malak. It's alaka, malak, also someone who is sent for a purpose. So, risala means like something that is sent, a message that is sent. But alaka, yalaku, malak, angel, someone who is sent on a mission. Okay? For a purpose.